99% of students don't know how to solve this type of Maths Olympiad problem. Can you solve it? When you are trying to solve for the value of x in 4 power x times 8 power x is 36. First thing you observe is that the left and the right hand side cannot be expressed in common base. But in the left hand side, you have 4 and 8. Two of them can be expressed in common base. So we have to simplify the side first. So you see that 4 can be seen as 2 times 2, which is 2 squared, right? And 8 can be seen as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 cubed. So 8 and 4 should be replaced respectively. So for 4, I'll write it as 2 to the power, I'll write it as 2 to the power of 2. Then we have already existing power x. I'll put it. Then times 8 is 2 to the power of 3. I have already existing power x. I'll put it, and that's equals to 36. Then the next thing I have to do is to simplify. You know, in exponent, whenever you are multiplying in the same base, like say a to the power of m times a to the power of n, all you have to do is to keep the base the same and add the what? Powers. Okay? So we are going to apply the rule here since you are multiplying in the same base. Okay? So first thing we have to do here is that 2 to the power of 2 times x is 2x times 2 to the power of 3 times x is 3x is equals to 36. Now you can see that we are multiplying in the same base. We have to add the powers as illustrated here. So we can have it as 2 to the power of 2x plus 3x. Thus this power is equal to 36. So if we have this is very simple. 2x plus 3x is 5x. So we can say 2 to the power of 5x is equal to 36. At this point now, we'll simplify the left-hand side. So the easiest thing to do now is to take the log of both sides, since the left and the right-hand side cannot be expressed in common base. If you are enjoying this, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, like and share so that you can get notified anytime I drop a new post. So we can now take the log of both sides as illustrated. Log 2 to the power of 5x is equals to log 36. In logarithm, whenever we have a power here, we are free to multiply the power to the log. So we can now write this to be simply 5x log 2 is equal to log 36. Then the next thing we do is to divide the left-hand side by log 2 and divide the right-hand side by log 2. If you do so, what do you observe? We have that 5x is equal to log 36 over log 2. Remember, 36 can be written as 9 times 4. So we can simplify this very properly. So we have it as, we can say that this is clearly log 9 times 4 divided by log 2. Okay? So if you have this now, this is simple now. In logarithm, whenever we are multiplying them in the same base, we can express them as a unit log. That means 5x is equals to log 9 plus log 4 over log 2. Okay? So here, what do you observe now? 9 and 4 can be written as 3 squared for 9, 2 squared for 4. And we can break the fraction down, which will be 5x will be simply written as log 9 is 3 squared over log 2. Okay, then plus 4 is log 2 squared over log 2. So since we have this now, we now multiply this power to the log. So we have it that 5x is equals to 2 come out. We have it as 2 log 3 over log 2, okay, plus 2 log 2 over log 2, like this power coming out. So that 2 log 2 will be out. We are having that 5x is equals to 2 log 3 over log 2 plus 2. Then the next thing we do is just to divide both sides. We can first do change of base since this base is common. So we can have it as 5x is equals to what? This is common base. You have it as 2 into log of base 2 of 3. Okay? Then plus 2. Okay? So the next thing we simply have to do is just to factor out 2. Since 2 is common, we have it as 5x, okay, is equal to 2 into log of base 2 of 3 plus, since we factor out 2, we have 1. Okay? Then remember we have 5 here, so we can simply divide through by 5. And dividing by 5, we divide through by 5. If you divide by 5, you see that x will be equals to 2 over 5 of log of base 2 of 3 plus 1. And that's the what? Answer. If you found the video interesting, do well to like, do well to comment, do well to share. See you in my next episode. Goodbye.